Hello, today we're going to replace bulb number 1445 from the Ashtray in a 1967 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport. You'll need probably a screwdriver, some picks, needle nose, pliers, and obviously the 1445 number light bulb, and a little bit of knowledge. So let's start off by removing the ashtray. There's a little lever here that you have to depress while removing the ashtray. It should come right out. Set that off to the side. As you can see, we are viewing inside the ashtray assembly unit, and right here is where the light bulb assembly sits. So I'll be removing that momentarily, so bear with me. So as you can see, a small screwdriver will help you with the assistance of removing the light bulb. It's a little clamp. You depress one side of the clamp and it pops right out. Now you have the light assembly. We've already done this yesterday, but I'm going through the whole motions with you today. The pick is used to remove the back end of the assembly. Needle nose pliers comes in effect when you're trying to remove the actual bulb from its holder. There it is. The bulb again was removed yesterday. We're just going through the motions to show you how it was done. Now that you have the bulb removed, you replace it with, again, the 1445 light bulb. Again, just as easy as inserting it, giving it a little twist. Now it's secure. You replace the cover unit of the bulb, and you're ready to reinsert it into the assembly of the ashtray. Okay, here we are. We have to reach up under the unit and set it up inside there. As you can see, there's the unit right there. A small screwdriver or the pick will help you in the assistance of replacing this at this time. There it is. It is secure in there. All that needs to be done now is to test it and insert the ashtray once again. So that is simple as that. We're going to try to give it a test right now as we speak. I see the light go off and on. So there was a light for the ashtray. For the 1967 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport, we're out. Thank you very much.